Hello, hello, hello. It's time for your weekly reading. So let's get into it. If you're interested in a personal reading, you can find me working away in my Etsy shop at www.etsy.com/shop/PsychicTS. Also, if you haven't already done so, please give me a subscribe. Leave me a comment, even if it's just an emoji. I will send you an emoji back. All right, let's get into it. What is going on for us this week? Okay, I kind of feel like we should pull two more cards. Okay, so we are excited about something. We're trying something out. We think it's going to work out, but we're not really sure. But we don't want to focus on the part of us that isn't sure. We just want to keep doing what we're doing and hope for the best. However, we need to remember that this kind of wishful thinking has sometimes led to a burden for us where things did not really work out the way that we had planned and that we felt like we had to leave or we had to go somewhere else and that our wishes were unfulfilled. But just know that if this is the approach that you took and it didn't end very well, that there was always something new on the horizon, always something new that was bringing us closer to our vision. So Spirit is basically saying right now, do not regret the past and how you operated, but still try to operate a little bit differently. Try to be more balanced in your approach. Definitely be excited, definitely move forward, but don't be afraid to ask other people for their guidance or their opinion, and don't be afraid to change your baby. A lot of times if we have an idea or a direction, we just want to do what we think and what we feel. And we feel like any changes to that is dishonoring our baby, our child, our creation. But be open because sometimes, it takes a village to raise a child. So why not a village to help you create whatever it is that you're trying to create? Sometimes when we're on the creation journey, trying to bring something about, whether it is a business or some piece of art or a new career or a new relationship, whatever it may be, that can bring up a lot of fears. It can bring up a lot of insecurities. That is normal. Anytime that we want something in our lives, it's going to create this feeling because whenever we want something, it's important to us. And it means that it is an area where we get to grow through that. Everything that we want gives us an opportunity to grow and to become more united to our own soul and our own fulfillment. So of course, we would have to shed and observe all the things that we are scared of that are making us feel really icky or really nervous or like we're not good enough, so we can shed that so we can finally attain that fulfillment and feel the worthiness that we actually have and are. So as you go about moving forward on this dream, just make sure that you're planning, just make sure that you're including other people in that journey. Make sure you're not blaming yourself for the past. Make sure you're not running scared just because your emotions are starting to bubble up. Because if you handle all of this, you will get the wishes that you are trying to create, and it will end up being wonderful and magical and probably better than what you had ever hoped for. So I'm going to leave it here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.